What's going on? I'm Jay with AquaStar Distributors. Today I have my special helper,
Nicholas.
And we're going to talk to you about vacuum breakers and check valves. So the purpose of these are an anti-siphon device. Basically, if you had a whole complete toilet, okay, this is a physical air gap. And when you have your fresh water coming in here, entering the bowl, it prevents bacteria from traveling backwards and contaminating your freshwater system, okay? Whereas a check valve is goes that way. Nope, goes that way. Check valve is just that, and it serves the same purpose. These are in Dometic sanitation systems for ABYC compliance. They're basically the governing body for marine construction and regulation, design, things of that nature, okay? When you're replacing the check valve, okay, which now would be a good time to talk to you about what is a symptom of a failed check valve. So if you have your toilet and you have your pedal over here, and every time you flush the toilet, there's a little puddle of water, it's very likely water is traveling down, hitting the pedal and making a little puddle. So that'd be a sign of a bad check valve or vacuum breaker. Vacuum breakers are all installed, okay, with one of the uniseals. There are two variables. One would be if you have a physical hand sprayer. So if you have a little hand sprayer that you use to clean the bowl, or as a little hand bidet, some people will call them. That is one variable. The other, what's the difference between these two, Nikki?
That side is shorter and that side is longer.
Right, so that's the length of throw, right? So they all install with our uniseal, okay? And the vacuum breaker is just a friction fit. So if you have an older toilet, it may require the longer one. So before you go ahead and order one, it's good to identify which one you have, whether or not you have a hand sprayer, and whether or not you need the long throw or the short throw. Okay, they do come with new hose clamps, and they also come with a new uniseal. The 1/2-inch uniseals are pretty soft, they're pretty easy to install. On the 5000 series, okay, I'm gonna try and flip that up. Could you hold that up for me, Nikki? Awesome. So, as soon as I get this very snug friction fit, Dr. Nikki, toilet doctor, got my 1/2-inch uniseal. All right, so uniseal goes in. You can put a little silicone grease, a little saliva, whatever, but it's just a friction fit, okay? And it goes in there. So that's the difference between what is a vacuum breaker, what's a check valve, how to identify which one you need. The check valve is available in a couple of different variations. If you have an electronic flush head, that's a separate part. We have a separate breakdown for that. But if you guys need any parts, need any technical assistance, you can give us a call, check us out on the web. Try to make a nice little flow chart to help you select which vacuum breaker you need. Thanks so much. We look forward to talking to you.
And click that bell.